What's up? What's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanette, and today we're having a Cook Healthy with Me day. I'm making my cauliflower pizza, my cauliflower pepperoni pizza. I actually got this recipe from my best friend when she was on her keto diet, and it's just stuck with me. I really love it. But I have my cauliflower pizza, the Mexican blend cheese. I have picante sauce and pepperoni. That's all you need. I'm gonna set the timer for 400 degrees. I mean, not the timer, but I'm gonna set it for 400 degrees, and then whenever it gets ready to cook, it only has to be in there for 15 minutes. So you're gonna see me get the crust out. Like I said, it comes with two in there. This is simple. This is easy. Like, the ingredients are simple. It's fast. It doesn't take long. This is my go-to at the end of the day, and I'm like, okay, it's 8 o'clock when I'm gonna cook, or we haven't ate all day. We're gonna cook. So yeah. But I love this dish. It's really good. I'm also going to put in how much all of the calories is for all this toward the end of the video, but I'm just going to spread it and coat the whole pizza with the picante sauce. And it's usually about 6 tablespoons. I mean, I done it so much until I kind of got, used to kind of eye leveling it. So I kind of, pour it on there, but it's about 6 to 7, maybe 8 tablespoons. All right, next we're gonna use the Mexican style blend. I recently started getting this cheese because it's kind of like the best of both worlds. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna get this instead of getting, all the other cheeses and stuff like that. But yeah, and I'm a little heavy with the cheese today. I don't know. It's been one of those days. I'm tired. I was like, after I did it, I was like, oh my god, did you really put all this cheese on here? And it's supposed to be a healthy video. But you don't have to put all that cheese on there. I mean, it's really not that bad. It just kind of looks like it. And I think the whole piece of crust is like 500 calories or something like that. Like, the piece of crust in itself is 500 calories. And then when you add everything else, it kind of adds up. But when I eat this pizza, when I eat it for dinner, I usually eat half of it for dinner. And then eat the other half for lunch the next day. If I haven't eaten that much, or if I got like a really good workout in, or I'm just hungry, I'll eat the whole pizza because, like I said, it's a lot of calories. But when you realize that this is a whole pizza and how full you're gonna be, and like how it's kind of it's okay in my book. But you do what you do. You eat the whole pizza. You half of it. You eat one slice. That's you, friend. Do it. Then we got our pepperonis. I put 15 pepperonis on here, I think, because it's a serving size, and it's the serving size, and it actually coats the whole pizza. Like, it's not no missing pieces or nothing like that, or like this side don't have pepperoni. Like, it actually coated, the entire pizza. So I like that. All right, they are ready. The oven is preheated, and I'm gonna put these bad boys in the oven. Like I said, 15 minutes, give or take 10 minutes, maybe, depending on how your stove is. Depending on how your stove is. And then I'm gonna show you. See, it's just 824 calories, which is not that bad, especially if you haven't had too much to eat that day, or if that's all you ate today. You know. But yeah, it wasn't that bad. And you don't have to eat the whole pizza also. I only eat half, and then I save the other half for lunch. They're ready. And this is how they turned out. Oh, they look so good. It smelled good. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.